Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for everything motorcycles reviews, trends, and in-depth analysis of the bikes that shape the world of two-wheelers. In today's episode, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper. A name that's already turning heads and stirring conversations among chopper enthusiasts, this futuristic machine blends tradition with innovation. Let's dissect what makes the Honda Furry a true game-changer for cruiser fans everywhere. Up design and aesthetics. Let's talk design. The 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is nothing short of a masterpiece. It stays true to the elongated, low-slung profile that chopper fans adore but incorporates a modern twist. The sleek, aerodynamic bodywork features aggressive lines and an updated tank design that seamlessly blends into the frame. Honda's engineers have introduced a multi-layer paint finish that glistens differently under changing light conditions. Options include metallic crimson, deep obsidian black, and a striking matte silver that screams sophistication. The bike's unique LED headlamp takes inspiration from aircraft designs, giving it an unmistakable presence on the road, day or night. Engine and performance. Underneath that stunning exterior lies the beating heart of the Honda Furry, a 250cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This power plant is designed to deliver effortless cruising power with a wide torque band, making it ideal for long highway stretches and urban jaunts alike. Honda has fine-tuned this engine for both performance and efficiency, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating ride. The advanced fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response, while a 6-speed transmission provides seamless gear shifts. Expect the Furry to deliver about 90 horsepower and 115 Nm of torque, making it one of the most capable choppers in its segment. Technology and features. The Honda Furry Chopper represents a bold evolution in the world of cruisers. Honda, a brand that has consistently delivered dependable motorcycles for decades, has always had its finger on the pulse of rider needs. With the Furry Chopper, Honda taps into the growing demand for futuristic designs without abandoning the timeless appeal of choppers. This bike is not just about aesthetics, it's about merging classic cruiser DNA with cutting-edge technology. For those who crave long, laid-back rides and value the cool factor of a custom build, the 2025 Furry Chopper delivers both in spades. Environmental responsibility. Honda has been a leader in promoting eco-friendly technology, and the Furry Chopper is no exception. The bike is compliant with Euro 6 emissions standards, making it one of the cleanest burning V-twins in its class. Honda's engineers have also incorporated a start-stop system to reduce fuel consumption and emissions during idle periods. For those looking toward the future, Honda has hinted at the possibility of an electric version of the Furry Chopper in the coming years, further solidifying its commitment to sustainability. The frame. Honda has leveraged modern materials to craft a frame that is both lightweight and durable. The steel trellis frame combines rigidity with flexibility, ensuring excellent stability at high speeds without sacrificing maneuverability. Paired with a low seat height of 27 inches, the Furry offers a comfortable riding posture, perfect for both seasoned riders and those new to the chopper scene. For riders who value practicality, the Furry Chopper also includes a discreet yet functional under-seat storage compartment and integrated USB charging ports. These additions make it a cruiser that's as versatile as it is stylish. Technology. Technology is where the Furry truly shines. Honda has equipped this chopper with a 7-inch TFT display, fully customizable and packed with features. From navigation to real-time performance metrics, riders have everything they need at their fingertips. The display also supports smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to control music, answer calls, and access apps via Bluetooth. The bike comes with a suite of rider assist technologies. Traction Control System (TCS) keeps the rear wheel in check during slippery conditions. The ABS Pro ensures safe braking in both straight and cornering scenarios. Cruise control, a must-have for long highway rides, allowing the rider to maintain a steady speed with ease. Another standout feature is Honda's keyless ignition system, which recognizes the rider's proximity and allows for seamless startup. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda hasn't forgotten the importance of rider comfort. The Furry's contoured leather seat provides excellent support for long hours on the road. The forward-mounted foot pegs and wide handlebars create a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue during extended rides. To further enhance comfort, Honda has added an adjustable suspension system. The bike features a telescopic front fork and twin rear shocks, both designed to absorb road imperfections effortlessly. Whether you're cruising on smooth highways or navigating bumpy city roads, the Furry delivers a plush riding experience. Exhaust note. Chopper enthusiasts know the significance of a bike's exhaust note, and Honda doesn't disappoint. The dual stainless steel exhaust system produces a deep, throaty rumble that's music to any rider's ears. It's loud enough to turn heads but refined enough to stay true to Honda's reputation for engineering excellence. Fuel efficiency and range. In an era where fuel efficiency is increasingly important, the Honda Furry Chopper strikes an impressive balance. With a 5.5-gallon fuel tank and advanced fuel management systems, this bike offers a range of approximately 250 miles on a full tank. This makes it ideal for both long-distance tours and daily commutes. Customization options make it yours. Honda understands the chopper culture's emphasis on individuality. That's why the Furry Chopper comes with a host of customization options, from handlebars and seats to wheels and paint finishes. Riders can even choose from a selection of aftermarket exhaust systems and lighting kits to personalize their bike further. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is expected to hit showrooms in the first quarter of 2025. With a base price of approximately $18,000, it positions itself as a premium yet accessible option in the cruiser market. Additional features and customization options may push the price higher, but Honda has ensured there's a Furry for every budget. The verdict. The 2025 Honda Furry Chopper is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It pays homage to the Chopper legacy while paving the way for the future with cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unmatched style. For riders looking to stand out on the road, this bike delivers the perfect combination of form and function. Conclusion. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Honda Furry Chopper. What do you think of Honda's latest creation? Is it the future of choppers, or do you prefer sticking to the classics? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone for more content like this. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one. See you in the next video. If you like this video, comment below your idea for Honda Furry Chopper 2025. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining BikeZone. Thanks for your watching. Take care.